Hey guys, this is Gerson with Shalom G Construction. Just a quick video how to install Hardie plank from James Hardie. So just make sure when you're doing an older house, use this underlayment. I use this King's Pen green guard. Okay, it's about 1/4 of an inch thick, and make sure you use this little Becker. This is like a plastic. We had to remove this section, so that's why it's kind of ripped here. So we're gonna replace it, but just make sure you use this thing. It's called, as you can see here, bear skin. This goes in between the seams, so behind the seams. It's an extra protection, and also it has the same color, like a similar color, and you can kind of makes the seam invisible if it's a little bigger seam. So that's how it looks like. Okay, and for someone that doesn't know, Hardie plank, you only nail it at the top, and make sure you use a stainless steel nail, okay, in case it does, you don't want it to bleed, to stain it. That will bleed, and it will ruin the plank. Alright, so that's pretty much it. I'll send you some more videos in the future. Let me show you guys what we're doing here. This is in Walpole, Massachusetts. Alright, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to receive more videos in the future. Thank you very much for watching.